Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson at MarineMax Clearwater. Here today, I'm very excited to show off a new model, and while we didn't just release it today, this is the first one that we've actually had here in our showroom. This is the Aviara AV28. And while you'll see that a lot of this is very reminiscent of all the other models, there's a couple really cool features I want to show you as we walk back through here. We've got the side console set up that gives you a nice head for even a 28. I can almost stand up in there. Our screens here at the helm are just like on the 32 and the other models. We've got a designated display for all of your systems, and then we also have a Aviara display on the right side that's going to give you all of your RGB lighting, all your switching throughout. We can also run the hardtop and other systems throughout right there, including the radio. Nice size helm seat here with a co-pilot seat on the port side that's adjustable with a bolster. This also slides forward and back. We've got a teak table that's optional that inserts. Lots of cup holders throughout and phone holders on both sides, just like on the other boats. Our walk through here underneath my feet is going to have the holders for our fenders. I love how they integrated our battery switches here on the starboard side, nice and hidden. Easy to access still though, so you're not asking somebody to get up. One of the things they did differently here is our sun pad. This is the only boat that they make where the bar stools are not an option, and with the sun pad being a little bit shorter, they added a slide out here so we can extend this back. So if you're taller like I am, your feet still aren't hanging off the back. Finally, this top that you see looks like the standard Aviara hardtop, but this one actually comes with an optional folding top. So if you're in a high and dry, it gives you some more options, or if you have a low bridge clearance here. So while that wasn't lightning fast, that was pretty darn quick. And if you notice too, when you're standing at the helm, because it comes back, we still have access to stand up and navigate the boat. If you guys have any other questions about this boat or any other boat you see here in the showroom, give me a call or send me a text, 303-875-3988. Thanks.